Hey there, friends, I'm Jake. Today, we'll look at some common mistakes English learners make, and more importantly, how to say them correctly. Let's learn together. He don't like apples.
He doesn't like apples.
He doesn't like apples. She have a new dress.
She has a new dress.
She has a new dress. I forget my hat in the house.
I left my hat in the house.
I left my hat in the house. This is the way how I made it.
This is how I made it.
This is how I made it. I have headache.
I have a headache.
I have a headache. He was in hurry.
He was in a hurry.
He was in a hurry. He is in bad mood.
He is in a bad mood.
He is in a bad mood. I have 26 years.
I am 26 years old.
I am 26 years old. I like dance.
I like dancing.
I like dancing. I must learn English.
I must learn English.
I must learn English. Does he drink milk?
Does he drink milk?
Does he drink milk? Yes, I like very much.
Yes, I like it very much.
Yes, I like it very much. He speaks English very good.
He speaks English very well.
He speaks English very well. I'm going to the bed.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed. He has a red big car.
He has a big red car.
He has a big red car. She is much beautiful than her sister.
She is much more beautiful than her sister.
She is much more beautiful than her sister. He is enough strong to lift the box.
He is strong enough to lift the box.
He is strong enough to lift the box. She is my older sister.
She is my elder sister.
She is my elder sister. I lost the bus.
I missed the bus.
I missed the bus. Everything are good.
Everything is good.
Everything is good. She has long hairs.
She has long hair.
She has long hair. The store is opened at 8.
The store is open at 8.
The store is open at 8. I and my friend are in the library.
My friend and I are in the library.
My friend and I are in the library. Me and John live in Toronto.
John and I live in Toronto.
John and I live in Toronto. What does it mean?
What does it mean?
What does it mean? I have a taekwondo class at Saturday.
I have a taekwondo class on Saturday.
I have a taekwondo class on Saturday. Where is her?
Where is she?
Where is she? I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I agree with you. She told to me the story.
She told me the story.
She told me the story. She very like coffee.
She really likes coffee.
She really likes coffee. I didn't went to school yesterday.
I didn't go to school yesterday.
I didn't go to school yesterday. Let's discuss about the problem.
Let's discuss the problem.
Let's discuss the problem. I look forward to meet you.
I look forward to meeting you.
I look forward to meeting you. My mother is more older than my aunt.
My mother is older than my aunt.
My mother is older than my aunt. He can to swim.
He can swim.
He can swim. I feel myself happy.
I feel happy.
I feel happy. Can you explain me this?
Can you explain this to me?
Can you explain this to me? I need some advices.
I need some advice.
I need some advice. She is married with a doctor.
She is married to a doctor.
She is married to a doctor. He is very interesting in history.
He is very interested in history.
He is very interested in history. I have a good news for you.
I have good news for you.
I have good news for you. My English is more better now.
My English is much better now.
My English is much better now. He is afraid from dogs.
He is afraid of dogs.
He is afraid of dogs. I enjoy to play basketball.
I enjoy playing basketball.
I enjoy playing basketball. She suggested me to go there.
She suggested that I go there.
She suggested that I go there. I am thinking to go abroad.
I am thinking about going abroad.
I am thinking about going abroad. He said me that he was busy.
He told me that he was busy.
He told me that he was busy. She is good in singing.
She is good at singing.
She is good at singing. He is very tired, isn't he? Yes, he is very.
He is very tired, isn't he? Yes, he is.
He is very tired, isn't he? Yes, he is. I will call to you later.
I will call you later.
I will call you later. She asked me, where do I live?
She asked me where I live.
She asked me where I live. This is a very difficult exam, isn't it? Yes, it is very difficult.
This is a very difficult exam, isn't it? Yes, it is.
This is a very difficult exam, isn't it? Yes, it is. I didn't see nobody.
I didn't see anybody.
I didn't see anybody. I like very much this movie.
I like this movie very much.
I like this movie very much. If I will go to London, I will visit the Tower of London.
If I go to London, I will visit the Tower of London.
If I go to London, I will visit the Tower of London. She depends from her parents.
She depends on her parents.
She depends on her parents. I listen music every day.
I listen to music every day.
I listen to music every day. They are going in school now.
They are going to school now.
They are going to school now. You can call me in any time.
You can call me at any time.
You can call me at any time. He suggested to go to the park.
He suggested going to the park.
He suggested going to the park. He made me to cry.
He made me cry.
He made me cry. She let me to use her car.
She let me use her car.
She let me use her car. He avoided to answer my question.
He avoided answering my question.
He avoided answering my question. I am boring in this class.
I am bored in this class.
I am bored in this class. This soup is too much hot.
This soup is too hot.
This soup is too hot. She can to swim very well.
She can swim very well.
She can swim very well. Do you know where is the library?
Do you know where the library is?
Do you know where the library is? I want that he comes to the party.
I want him to come to the party.
I want him to come to the party. I am used to eat late at night.
I am used to eating late at night.
I am used to eating late at night. She is more taller than her sister.
She is taller than her sister.
She is taller than her sister. He told that he was okay.
He said that he was okay.
He said that he was okay. Great job today. Remember, mistakes are just part of the learning journey, so keep practicing and improving. See you next time.